How to sync Google Calendar with Slack. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Slack account, and the next thing will be heading over to the left hand side of your screen and tapping on more. Now you want to go over to automations and click on it. Now you are going to be heading over to apps. You want to tap on apps. Now head over to the search bar and type Google Calendar. Now Google Calendar app should be out like this. You want to head over to add and tap on it. Now this is what your screen should be looking like. Now the next thing to do is to go to add to Slack on the left hand side of your screen and tap on it. Now you want to give Google Calendar permission, so you scroll down and click on allow. Now you want to go ahead and click on the Google account for this process. Now you are going to be clicking on continue. Now go ahead and check the box select all, because this grants permission to Slack. Then you want to click on continue. And guys, over here at our Slacks, if you head over to application, you would notice that Google Calendar has been added there, and this is exactly how to sync Google Calendar with Slack. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.